cool. I'll take a bath in hot dog water. I'm in. Hey everyone, I'm Leigh-Ann. If you don't know me, if you do and you're back, thank you so much for coming back. Today is skincare day. Somehow, in all of my 35 years on YouTube, I have never done like a skincare routine video. And they've been requested for so long. And for the longest time, I felt like I didn't really have anything to offer. I have always kept it really simple, and I still like to keep it really simple. And I just felt like I didn't have like this parade of products like everyone else did. But now I'm kind of starting to see that as an asset. I have some stuff from Sephora. I have some stuff from the dermatologist. I have some stuff from, Walgreens and CVS. I'm all over the place. I've been using a lot of these things for years. I believe in them. I am fearful and very wary of skincare marketing. I don't like to buy into that stuff because I feel like they promise you the world. I like to use stuff that has been around for a long time that is like proven to work. At this point in my life, I am an over 30-year-old lady. That was not good. I need to practice that. Over 30-year-old lady. That was okay. I'm an over 30-year-old lady. I feel like I need to focus in on my skincare, and I have been doing that, especially for the past few years. So really, this skincare routine could be for anyone. My whole focus in my skincare routine, morning and night, is anti-aging, of course. I feel like you can't start that too early. I'm definitely not on the too early side of things, but I've started a lot of these things years and years ago. Also brightening, also acne. I don't have extreme acne at all, but I definitely do have breakouts at least once a month. And I have clogged pores, and I do have blackheads. So I'm kind of like going in a lot of different directions, but I feel like this routine works for me. I feel like it could work for a lot of people. Okay, I'm just gonna stop rambling. I'll list all the products that I can in the description. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it's helpful. Let's do it. Okay, hi, hello. It's the morning. I'm awake. I'm in the bathroom, so that just means one thing. Time for morning skincare. Of course, you might have guessed it. First up is cleanser. I've been using the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, and it's safe for sensitive skin. It's soap-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free. It's got ceramides, niacinamide, two really good, nice hydrating, great things for your skin barrier. That's the kind of cleanser that I usually go for. I don't like to feel stripped down when I use cleansers. I have oily skin, and so I have tried those before, but I feel like that just encourages more oil production. And so I like to go for a more gentle, soothing, non-violent cleanser like this one. I've really been enjoying this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up and cleanse my skin. I don't even take the towel off the bar. Just pat my skin up right over here. All right, my next step is serum, and I like to focus on vitamin C serums, especially in the morning. I have two that I kind of switch off between. I don't honestly have a favorite. The one I've used most is this one by Drunk Elephant. It's the C Day Serum. It is a vitamin C and ferulic acid serum, and this one's basically the same thing. This one is by SkinCeuticals. It's the CE ferulic. I don't like to load up on products. I like to keep things simple. I like to just focus on things that I'm really sure are going to work, and they're not just marketing. But I do really believe in vitamin C serums. It's basically an antioxidant. It's an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage from UVA and UVB, and it also helps to repair past damage, like damage that has already been done. It helps firm, it helps brighten, and it just generally makes your skin better. And it's something that you always want to use during the day. Squirt it out like so. This is a product that you want to not stock up on because the acid in this does not keep forever. So you want to buy it and use it, and you don't want to like have backups, you know what I mean? And this is something you want to do all over your face and also run down to your neck, your chest, and even the tops of your hands. Could you take a bath in this? I'd suggest it. Do I? It could happen. So while I do really like and believe in this product and definitely recommend it, I will warn you, it smells kind of funky. And it's almost kind of off-putting, especially when you first start using it. You're gonna be like, is this right? Has this one already gone bad? Like, are we good here? You're good. It just kind of smells like, I've said it before, I'll say it again, it's kind of like hot dog water. It's a very strange smell, but you get over it. I mean, if you're like me and you're kind of like, well, if this is working and if this is good for my skin, cool. I'll take a bath in hot dog water. I'm in. I don't really want to scare you out of it because it's good for your skin, but I had to warn you because I like you. All right, and now for my third and I guess fourth step of my morning skincare, I have my moisturizer. They're both by CeraVe. I have the facial moisturizing lotion. It's the PM version. There's an AM version with SPF, and then there's this PM version that is a little bit more gel-like, and it's very lightweight. It says it's ultra lightweight on the packaging, and it doesn't get you greasy through the day. It just feels really good. It sinks right into the skin. I love CeraVe. It comes from the drugstore. It's just good. It's got your ceramides, it's got hyaluronic acid, it's got niacinamide, and these are all good things that are for your skin barrier. And hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin because it attracts moisturizer to your skin. So it just looks like plump and fresh and happy, like I just had a cold drink of water. And then my eye cream, which to be honest with you, I don't always use an eye cream, but when I do, it's this one. This is the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. This is just like a much creamier kind of thick consistency. I like it. Do I think it's 100,000% necessary? No. But makes me feel like I'm treating myself. I do feel like I have really, really puffy under eye bags today. I feel like I used to have it all the time, and now it's just here and there, and I can really pinpoint the reason. And the reason today is because I had a KFC for dinner last night. So yeah, extra little bonus skincare tip: don't eat fast food. It's really, really salty. It's gonna make you really puffy and weird looking, like puffy in a bad way, not plump, but puffy. All thanks to the Colonel. Okay, and for my last but extremely essential step for the morning skincare, this is my SPF. It's the Super Goop Smooth and Poreless 100% Mineral Matte Sunscreen. It's SPF 40 and it is a tinted sunscreen. I love sunscreen. Sunscreen is my life. I've used a whole bunch of different ones. My quest is always about, I have to find a sunscreen that stays on my face and doesn't make me oily. And this is one that is specifically great for oily skin because it goes matte on your skin. Another really great thing about this is it's a whipped texture. When it comes out, it looks real thick and it might make you nervous, but when it goes on your skin, it smooths out your pores, it smooths out your skin, it acts like a makeup primer. You can actually use this as your makeup primer, but I usually use a separate makeup primer after this. But it looks great on the skin by itself. It's tinted, so it does give you a little bit of color, but it really shears out a lot. It's nothing like a BB cream or a CC cream or anything like that. You can barely see it on my skin. I mean, SPF is essential for everyone. Listen to me, listen to your mother. You need your SPF. Just put it on your face. You will not regret it. I'm totally nagging you right now, but it's for a reason. I mean, personally, I really, really, really need it, and I've been using it hardcore on my face every day of my life since I was like 18, 19 years old, because that's when I found out I have subacute cutaneous lupus. So I'm extra sensitive to the sun and it can make me have a flare, and I try to avoid that. So sunscreen is a really good thing for me, and I also stay out of the sun beyond that. But it's just, sunscreen is for everyone. It's good for you. It protects your skin from the sun. It helps you not age as quickly. And I mean, who wants cancer? Probably not you. Definitely not me. Why did I wear this? Like, I'm gonna be real with you. Sometimes I sit in my house and edit a vlog all day long and I don't see the sun. I mean, I see the sun, but I wear sunscreen every day. Weird flex, but okay. Yes, I'm sunscreen flexing on you. I'm addicted. It's a big deal. Okay, sunscreen rant over. That is it for the morning skincare. I feel like I talked a whole lot, but really it's not that many products. I really try to keep it simple. I definitely have a whole lot more to share with you guys for the nighttime skincare, so keep watching to see that. It's kind of like a choose your own adventure situation. I'm gonna go ahead, put on a little makeup, go about my day, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. It's only 5:45 right now, but we're gonna do the evening skincare routine because I'm using natural light, and that's basically just what I have to do for the video. And I mean, really, in real life, don't you sometimes just want to snatch all the makeup off your face and throw it in the garbage by like 3 o'clock. It can't just be me. Anyway, we're doing the evening skincare, and I feel like this is the part of the routine where it gets intense. It's definitely kind of like a choose your own adventure kind of situation, and I kind of have to switch off days. So it's actually not that complicated. It is still pretty simple, but seriously, evening time is whenever you do your like hardcore stuff because you're not going to be out in the sun. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair up. I got a lot of texture spray in here. This is as good as it's gonna get. I really did not know what to wear for this part of the video because usually I'm wearing like a sports bra or like nothing. So it is what it is. So obviously I've got makeup on, I've got to remove my makeup, I've got to cleanse. So step one, almost always, is the Garnier Micellar Water. I've been using this for years. I've talked about it for years. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is the original with the pink cap. There are a few different formulas, but this is the one that I almost always go to. And I just put this on a little cotton pad and I go over my face. But if I've got a more like bulletproof makeup situation going on, this is the Pixie Double Cleanse. It's got a step 1 that is the solid cleansing oil, and step 2, it's a cleansing cream. And I'm sure you've seen this has been around for quite a while. This is a semi-new one, so it still looks nice and fresh. I don't typically like to use jar packaging for basically anything because it gets nasty, especially this, because you're like taking away makeup and you're reaching in. You've got your solid oil right here. You dip in and you rub it onto a dry face, and that breaks down the makeup like no other. And then you dip into the cleansing cream, and it's just nice. It feels luxurious. However, I do have to say the one really big drawback with using this is the cleansing oil is an oil. I have eyelash extensions, and oil and lash extensions do not mix. So if you're using this and you have lash extensions, stay clear of the eyes. But in the past, because I've been using this for so long, I used to use waterproof mascara. This takes off waterproof mascara like a dream. It's amazing and wonderful. I absolutely recommend it. But like I said, on the day-to-day, this does the job. So I'm going to remove my makeup with my micellar water. All right, there's the old face. So I don't know if this is considered double cleansing, but I feel like even taking the makeup off, you gotta splash some water. Some water's gotta happen. I don't know if people are trying to say you can just use like a makeup wipe and run. Like, no. Especially if you wear makeup, like, no. Again, I feel like I'm ranting and raving at you. I'm so sorry, but that is how I feel. So to cleanse my skin, I like to go back in with the same cleanser that I use in the morning. This is the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. You don't even need to see me do this. You know what washing faces looks like, right? Once I'm done cleansing, I go in with a toner. This one is the Murad Hydrating Toner, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I think this one is really scented, and I don't love that, but I like that it's hydrating, and I like that it's alcohol-free, and basically a toner is just used to rebalance your pH level on your skin, whatever that means. I mean, I'm just being real with you. I don't know what that means. I don't spray it directly onto my face. I put it onto a cotton pad, and I just rub it over my skin. This is also really good because it gets off any makeup that maybe you missed along the way. If somehow you missed makeup, it happens to me regularly. Ew! We got a little bit. Can you see that? But it's nice to know it's off of your skin. Now we find ourselves at another little crossroads. It's another choose your own adventure moment. Either you go down the Retin A road or you go down the moisturizer road. So Retin A, do you know about it? I have it prescribed from my doctor. I've had it prescribed for, I don't know, maybe like 10 years. But honestly, I haven't been using it religiously. I really just started getting more consistent with it in the last couple of years. If you don't know about Retin A or retinol products, I don't know what rock you're living under, but you need to find out about them because as far as I know, again, not a dermatologist, Retin A and retinol products are like the best thing you can do for your skin as far as anti-aging. This is, again, the prescription. I have it in the percentage 0.05, and that's a really, really low concentration. You can go even lower, but this is a product that can really irritate your skin because it promotes your skin cell turnover. It goes a lot faster whenever you're using this. So you can get really dried out and irritated, but it works, and that's why I really, really like it. You can get over-the-counter retinols. You don't have to go to a dermatologist, but my understanding is that the over-the-counter stuff it still works, but it works slower and maybe not as well. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I just go straight to the source because I'm like, if it's a prescription, if a doctor has to give this to me, it must be better. So I've been using this, and you do have to kind of go through a process with it where you really start slow. If you get this and you're like, more is more is more is more, it's just not a good idea. You have to start slow. So like once a week for a period of time, and then twice a week for a period of time. And eventually you can work up to a higher percentage. So this is probably one of my favorite products. This is the thing that I feel like I'm really doing something. And there are actually videos online for women that are older than me that have been using this for years, and they have before and after photos that really show a difference. It just helps, and I believe in it. But I do have to say, if you are pregnant, or if you are trying to get pregnant, this is not the product for you. You need to hold off on this until you are out of that range. So that's definitely something to think about. But generally, this is like my powerhouse product. Okay, I feel like I just like blacked out ranting and raving about Retin A, but basically the benefits. It speeds up cell turnover. So you're kind of fading out wrinkles or preventing wrinkles from forming. You're also fading dark marks and scars and like discoloration. You're also clearing out pores, so it can help with acne. It brightens, it firms, it does all that in a bag of chips. Like, it's everything. The alternate route is moisturizing. And this is just for a non-Retin A day, a day where I'm just trying to treat my skin, make it feel good, do good things for it. And this is the moisturizer I love to use. It is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. It is strengthening and is moisturizing. And it is in a jar, but it's one of those cool jars that you like press down right here. The product comes out and you just swipe it off. I love that. I love this for a nighttime moisturizer because it's super intense hydration, but it doesn't feel heavy. It's full of peptides and amino acids, which hydrate and restore your skin and help firm your skin. So it's like all of the good things that you want, especially when you're on kind of like an off treatment night. This one is more like, ooh, soothe your skin, build it up, make it feel good after something that's a little bit more intense. You know what I mean? Okay, and another product that I throw in there every once in a while, and really, I'm not really on a routine with this one. I just throw it in whenever I want to, and I do it on the nights when I'm doing moisturizing. I add my tanning drops to my moisturizer. These are Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops, and I got it in dark. You can get this at Sephora, and basically you just add a few drops into whatever moisturizer you're using, mix it together, put it all over your face, neck, chest, wherever you want to do a little gradual tanning. You do definitely need to wash your hands after you apply it. I am just gonna go in with my moisturizer. I feel like my face is, kind of drying out just standing here and talking to you, aka ranting and raving. I'm just gonna have a simple night and just use my Proteiny. Ooh, feels so good. Okay, and the last product I have to share with you is kind of just an as needed product, and it's Epiduo. This is a spot treatment. Again, it is a prescription, but I feel like it really, really, really works. I've been using it for years and it works so well. So like at the slightest notion of any kind of breakout, any pimple, I start putting this on at night, and it works so well. It will be gone so much faster than if I didn't use this. Like, this is my go-to spot treatment. I love it. I believe in it. It does dry out the area, but I feel like most spot treatments do. It's got benzoyl peroxide and then a retinoid, and that mixed together, it does some magic on a zit. It is so, so good. I definitely have other skincare products that I use. Like, I have masks, I have, different treatments that I use more sporadically that aren't in my day-to-day, week-to-week routine. But I feel like this video is already getting way too long and I'm getting a little too intense about this nighttime routine. I did not expect that. I need to go meditate and calm myself and go to bed. All right, so that's my skincare routine. I really hope you guys found it helpful. I hope you found some products that you're interested in. And I want to say these products are here to stay. But of course, I do try new things. But like I said, I am very wary about skincare marketing. And I'm like, Do I trust you? Do I want to put you on my face? That's a serious commitment. So things could change. And if they drastically change in the future, I'll absolutely do a skincare update video for you guys. If you want to see it, let me know in the comments. Sometimes I need to hear what you guys want to see. So let me know. Again, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you like what I'm doing. Hit the bell for notifications. You can also find me on social media. It's LeighAnnSays everywhere. I love to talk to you guys over there. And again, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. Here we go now. Okay, good morning. La Roche-Posay. I love sunscreen. Woo! Over 30-year-old lady. So dramatic. Whatever. Woo! Getting a little too excited about skincare.